Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to transfer money from TD Bank to your Cash App. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone. So if you do not already have the application, what we need to do is install it. So what you want to do is open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Go ahead and open up your App Store and go into the search bar. By searching for Cash App, it's going to enable you to find the Cash App application, and from there you can get started installing it. So go ahead and install the Cash App application, and once you have installed it, now we can get started. So by opening it up, you can log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, guys, which is our main page where you can take a look at our cash balance. We have our savings options and all the other options that we can access. And now we can get started with withdrawing money from TD Bank to Cash App. And how can we do that? Well, it's very easy. What we're looking for is right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you can take a look at your profile icon. By clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner, click on the profile picture. This is going to open up your settings menu. So by opening up the settings menu for your account, there you'll be able to find all the settings options that we can access. And guys, what we're looking for, the option that we need is called linked accounts. So you want to go ahead and open up the linked accounts option in your settings menu. By opening up linked accounts, it's going to enable you to go ahead and access any bank that you want to add. From there, you can select the bank you want to add. Let's say TD Bank. Go ahead and click on TD Bank, and then it's going to enable you to log into your account. So you can proceed with all the information, log into your bank, and once you have logged into your TD Bank, it's going to automatically connect it to your Cash App account. And from there, guys, you can get started with withdrawing money from TD Bank to your Cash App whenever you want and getting into it, withdrawing, depositing, and so on. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.